Better to disconnect from such situations because these kind of repetitive behaviors where you're quick to blame other people in a certain age for whatever goes wrong in relationships or whatever their conducts are and stuff is pretty toxic and unhealthy. And if people are not spending time to introspect and understand why you're being in a certain manner, then the issue doesn't lie in you, the issue is with the other person. You may have moved on, you may have worked on yourself, you talk in a certain manner, you're respected in a certain circle of people and stuff. You have great relationships going on, but it's only these two three people who think they're doing the great job of kind of reflecting back to you on your conducts and behaviors and stuff. Believe me, that's a pretty shitty way to kind of make anybody feel great and good. Nobody wants to have bad experiences, nobody wants to kind of be in frustrating situations, and nobody wants to be in arguments, or nobody wants to be told what's wrong with them and stuff. So somebody is doing that to you consistently definitely means that they have lack of appreciation and lack of self-control and stuff. So the choice is yours. Do you want to be in abusive relationships? Do you want to be a target to somebody's frustration? Do you want to be a target to somebody's own version and narratives of what they've been following and feeding themselves on over the years? Do they try to ponder and think about why you're being in a certain manner and what have you been through to kind of come to a certain level in your life or in your relationships? Can they see the change and the growth in you in terms of the relationships you have or in the kind of experience you have and stuff? If they can't, then actually the issue is not with you, the issue is with the other person.